1. Pradeep borrowed some books from the library and returned 12 of them on time, and rest of the books he returned 13 days after the due date. And so he was charged a fine at the rate of 23 rupees per book per day. Per every day, how many rupees are fine? 23 rupees per book per day. And total fine paid by how many rupees? 5083. What is the question here? How many books did he borrowed from the library? 5083 is the fine value of how many books? 5083 is the remaining books or total books? Remaining books. Remaining books, every day how many rupees are fine? 2300. What is the total fine value? 5083. Okay. And one more, how many days are after? 13 days after the due date, and so you were charged a fine at the rate of 23 rupees per book per day. Means 13 days, every day how many rupees are fine? 23 rupees. Okay. Number of days are 13 days. Every day how many rupees are fine? 2300. What is the numerator? Total fine. Denominator? Total time. Then we are get the number of days. Number of days. First 23 how many times? 2 times. 23 2 is how much? 46. What is the remaining value? 4. 48. Again how many times? 2 times. Again 1 time. 221 by 13. How many times? 17 times. 17 times. Nothing but how many days? 17 days. After 13 days, how many days are extra taken? 17 days. What is the question here? Pradeep, how many books are there? 17 books. Because after 13 days he paid how many rupees? 5083. But how many books are there? 17 books. But here question is, how many books did he borrow from the library? Already how many books are returned? 12. 12 plus 17. Total how many books? 29 books. Next question number 102. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability of getting 2 numbers are whose product is divisible by which one? 3. 2 dice are thrown. First of all, what are the total chances? 6 square or 6? 6 square means total chances are 36. And here what is the condition? Whose product must be divisible by which one? 3. Whose product are divisible by 3 means 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 6. 1 and 3 means it will be product are 3. 1 into 6 means product value 6. In 1 3 1 6. In the same way 2 3 2 6. Yes or no? In first one 1 3 1 6. Second one 2 3 2 6. What is the 2 into 3? 6. 2 into 6 12. Those two are divisible by 3. Next one 3 1 3 2 and one more 3 3. Next one 3 4. Next 3 5. Next 3 6. Yes or no? In the same way 4 3 4 3 and 4 6. Next 5 1 5 3 5 6. And 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. All these are divisible by 3. Those product must be divisible by which one? 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 plus 4 20. Total how many chances are there? 20 chances. 20 out of 36. 20 by 36 means 4 how many times? 5. 4 how many times? 9. What is the fraction? 5 by 9. Which option? First option. Next question number 103. Product must be divisible by 3. Nothing but how many cases are possible? 20. Next question number 103. Praveen purchased an IC at the rate of 36,000. He sold it a loss of how much? 18%. With that amount he purchased another IC and this time he sold it at a profit of 20%. What is his overall loss or profit in this process or suppose actual cost price we are consider 100 rupees or in that how much percent are loss? 18% loss, means selling price is 82 or not. Again it is sold at how much percent are profit? 20%. What is the 10%? 8.2. 20%? 16.4. 8.20 plus 16.40. 82 plus 16.4. Total it is 98.4. What is the initial cost price? 100%. What is the final selling price? 98.4%. What is the last value? 1.6. That 1.6% is calculated on which one? 36,000. Okay, then we are getting 16 into how much value? 36. 16 into 36 means it is 576. Which option? First option. Loss or gain? Loss. Next question number 104. A bike covers a distance of 576 kilometers with 1/3 of the petrol required to fill the tank of a car. If the mileage of the bike is how much? 72 kilometers per liter, and cost of the petrol per liter is how much? 73. What is the amount is required to fill the tank of the car? Okay, first of all, bike covered how many kilometers distance? 576 kilometers. But if the mileage of the bike is how much? 76 kilometers per liter. Distance 576 kilometers per liter, how many kilometers are traveled? 72 kilometers. Then we are get the bike number of liters. Yes or no? We are get the bike consumption. 72 how many times? 8 times. Bike consumption how many liters? 8 liters. And one more, what is the first point? Bike consumption is 1/3 of the which one? Car. Then car consumption is 24 liters. Car consumption is how many liters? 24 liters. And what is the question here? What amount is required to fill the tank of the car? What is the car consumption? 24 liters. Per liter how many rupees? 73. Their answer 24 into 73 or not? 24 into 73. End with 2 or not? Third option or not? 1752. Next question number 105. Present age of Amit grandfather is thrice of his present age. Amit is 18 years younger than his uncle Rajesh. Amit father is 14 years older than which one? His uncle Rajesh. Amit mother present age is 48 years. Who is 4/5 of which one? Father's present age. What is the question here? Amit grandfather present age or not? Okay. First, Amit mother age is how many years? 48. Amit mother 48. But who is 4/5 of which one? Father's present. Means Amit father is how many years? 60 years or not? Yes or no? Mother 4 parts, father 5 parts. 4 parts 48 means 5 parts 60 or not? And one more, Amit father is 14 years older than which one? Uncle Rajesh. Means Rajesh age is 40. Amit father is 14 years older than which one? 46. 46. Rajesh is how much? 46. And one more, Amit is 18 years younger than which one? Rajesh. Amit compared to Rajesh, how many years are younger? 18 years younger. Then Amit is how many years? 28 or not? And what is the first one? Present age of Amit grandfather is thrice of his present age. Then Amit grandfather is how much? 84 or not? But we required which one? Amit grandfather. What is the answer? 84. Next question number 106. Twice the number of sheep in a farm is equal to the which one? Number of goats in the farm. Number of horses in the farm is half of the number of sheep. Number of horses in the farm is how much? 18. What is the number of horses? 18 or not? And here number of horses in the farm is half of the which one? Number of sheep. Means 18 equal to half of the which one? Sheep value or not? Then sheep is how much? 36 or not? Yes or no? Next, and what is the first one? Twice the number of sheep. Nothing but 2 into 36, 72. That 72 is equal to which one? Number of goats or not? Then goats are how much? 72 or not? What is the question here? How many liters of milk can be collected from all the goats together if each goat was given how many liters? 2.5 liters. Nothing but every goat 2.5 liters. Then we written into 5 by 2 or not? Yes or no? 2 how many times? 36. 36 5s are 180 liters or not? Next question number 107. There are how many numbers are there? 4 numbers, A, B, C, D. Sum of the squares of A, sum of the square of A and cube of B is how much? 280. And product of C and D is how much? 48. And sum of the C and D is how much? 16. A is twice of which one? D value, but C is greater than D value. What is the sum of the B and C or not? First, A square plus B cube, it is equal to how much? 280 or not? Okay. What is the 6 cube? 216. What is the 8 square? 64. Both are adding 280 or not? B is how much? 6. A is how much? 8 or not? What is the next one? Product of C and D is how much? 48. Means C into D, it is equal to how much? 48 or not? But C is greater than D. But sum of the C plus D is how much? 16. Then I return C value 12. D value 4 or not? 12 plus 4? 16. 12 into 4? 48. What is the question here? Sum of B and C. B and C sum we required. What is the B value? 6. What is the C value? 12. 6 plus 12? 18 or not? Answer 18 or not? If anyone confusion, what is the second condition here? A is twice of which one? D. Satisfied or not? A is twice of which one? D value. 8 is twice of 4 or not? Next question number 108. Rajat scored 234 and 458 marks in 2 different subjects. Maximum marks of each subject are how much? 480. Which calculation is needed to find out the percentage of marks he scored in both the subjects together or not? Okay. First subject how many marks are getting? 234. Second subject 458. But each subject total marks 480. 2 subjects total marks 2 into 480 or not? Yes or no? What is the numerator? Received marks or not? Denominator? Total marks. Received marks by total marks into 100. We are get the percentage or value? Percentage or not? What is the question here? Out of the percentage of marks is scored in both the subjects together or not? What are the received marks of both the subjects? 234 plus 458. Out of which one? 2 into 480 or not? Yes or no? Which option? Third option or fourth option? Third option. Third option or fourth option? Third. What is the third option? Half of 234 plus 458 by how much? 4.8 or not? Yes or no? Third option or fourth option? Third option. ఈజీ క్వశ్చనే, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచిస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయమని చెప్పలేదు కదా, జస్ట్ వెరిఫికేషనే కదా చేయమంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 109. 4.80 means written 480 by 100 అన్నాడు. Denominator 100 becomes again into 100 అన్నాడు. Half means written denominator into 2 అన్నాడు. Question number 109. Verification. Which of the following is second largest? We required which one? Second largest number. Verify చేయండి, ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ is ఆన్సర్. 9 by 13 of 1404, that is third option is answer. Second largest number. Calculation cheppala ippudu లేదు కదా. Second one, third one is answer. Second largest number nothing but third option. Okay, we required which one? Largest, second largest or largest? Second largest. అంటే individually calculate చేస్తే we are get the second value or first value or not. But we required second value means that is answer third option. Next question number 110. A bag contains 3 yellow and 5 red balls and 10 green balls. If 4 balls are drawn at random from the bag, what is the probability that all of them are green? All are in which one? Green color. Okay. Total how many balls are there? 3 plus 5 plus 10. Total how much? 18. Out of 18 we are chosen how many balls? 4 balls. Then we return 18 C4 or not. That 4 balls are which one? Green. How many green are there? 10 or not. Then we return 10 C4. 10 C4 by 18 C4. Directly mention or not? Probability means favorable cases by total cases or not. 10 C4 means we return 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 18 C4. 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 or not? Yes or no? 10 into 9 90. 18 how many times? 5 times or not? 5 how many times? 15. 3 times or not? 8 how many times? 16. 2 times or not? Numerator 7, denominator 1 or 2 or not? Which option? First option or not? All are in green or blue? Green. Next 111. What is the difference between the area of a rectangle? What is the difference between the area of a rectangle of length 29, breadth 16 and the area of a square whose side is equal to the which one? Difference between the length and breadth of the rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. What is the length value? 29. Breadth is 16. 29 into 16. 29 into 16. 480 minus 16 or not? 464. And one more, difference between the area of a square whose side is equal to which one? Difference between the length and breadth. What is the area of a square formula? A square. But that side value equal to difference between length and breadth of the rectangular. 29 and 16. Difference is 13. What is the 13 square? 169. The answer is 464 minus 169. How much? 295 or not? Next 112. Radius of the right circular cone is equal to the which one? 3/7 of the diameter of a circle whose circumference is given how much? 88. What is the volume of the cone if its height is equal to the thrice the radius of the circle? First of all, 3/7 of the diameter of a circle. 3/7 of the diameter of a circle whose circumference is given how much? 88. Means circumference of a circle means 44 by 7 into r. That is equal to how much value? 88. 44 how many times? 2 times or not? What is the r value? 14. Radius is 14 or not? Radius 14 means diameter double or not? What is the diameter? 28. In this 28, how much fraction we need? 3 by 7. What is the 3 by 7 of 28? 27 how many times? 4. 4 3 is 12. The 12 is the radius of a cone or not? What is the radius of a cone? 12 or not? Yes or no? If we required cone volume means definitely we know the cone radius and cone height or not? What is the cone radius are getting? 12. And one more, what is the volume of the cone if its height is equal to thrice the radius of the circle? What is the circle radius? 14. 3 times means 42 or not? Means height of the cone is how much? 42 or not? But we required volume of a cone. What is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h or not? Pi nothing but 22 by 7. What is the r square? What is the r value? 12 into 12. What is the height value? 42 or not? 3 into 7, 21. 21 how many times? 2 times or not? 22 into 144 into 2 or not? Answer should end with 6 or not? How many options? Only one or not? 6. Next question number 113. RAM has more than 7680 but less than which one? 7700. He donated around 30.1% of the amount to which one? Kamal. Kamal returned 9% of the amount to Ram. Approximately what is the total amount left with Ram after he gets back 9% of rupees from which one? Kamal. Okay. Actually Ram has more than which one? 7680 but less than which one? 7900. Suppose just I consider RAM value 7700, more 7680 but less than 7700, nearby value of 7700. We required approximate value or exact value. Okay, that's why I taken 7700. Suppose if you are taken 7690, calculation wise it is lengthy or not? Yes or no? Out of 7700, he donated 30.1%. 30.1% I consider only 30%. What is the 30% value? What is the 30% of 7700? 2310 not? Means out of 7700 he gave to 2310 to which one? Kamal. Kamal received how many rupees? 2310 not? 2310. But Ram remaining value is how much? 30% of 7700 completed means remaining value is how much? 70% of which one? 7700 or not? Nothing but 4900 plus 490 or not? How much? What is the difference between 7700 and 2310? 5390 or not? Out of 7700 he gave to 2310 to Kamal. What is the remaining balance of Ram? 5390. Okay, what is the Kamal received value? 2310. Out of 2310 again Kamal returned 9% of the amount to Ram. Means out of 2310 how much percent are returned? 9%. What is the 1% value? 23.1. 9 times means we return 9 into 23.1 or not? 923 is how much? 207. 9 into 0.1 207.9 or not? Yes or no? Means that is return amount again received by which one? Ram or not? Means Ram is adding or subtracting? Adding or not? What is the total value? 5597.9 or not? And answer is nearby 5597.9 but less than 5597.9 or not? Which option? Fifth option or not? First he gave 30%. In that 30% again Kamal 9% are written or not? Okay, means Ram remaining value 70% of original value plus written amount or not? Yes or no? What is the answer? Nearest value of 5597. Which option? 5590. Fifth option. Next question number 114. In a rare collection, Rahul collected 1 gold coin after every 3 silver coins. Once Rahul collected 100 coins in this sequence, inclusive of both gold and silver coins. Ramesh gave him 20 gold coins. At this stage, what is the respective ratio between the number of gold coins and silver coins with Rahul or not? Okay. If gold coins are 1 part, silver coins are 3 parts or not? Every 3 silver coins, how many gold coins are received? 1 coin or not? Nothing but if gold coins are 1 part, silver coins are 3 coins are not. What is the ratio? 1:3 are not. Total how many parts? 4 parts. Total how many coins are collected? 100 coins. Means gold coins are 25, silver are 75 not. Okay. And one more, Ramesh gave him 20 gold coins or not. Means gold coins added or subtracted? Added. Plus 20 or minus 20? Plus 20. 25 plus 20. 45. 45 is to 75. 15 3 times 15. 5 times or not. What is the ratio? 3:5. One 115. Skip cheyala matladala. Skipa. 120. Skip cheyala matladala. 125. 120. Only 120. 123. 123 and ఒకసారి చూడండి. If number of students qualified in 3 different tests in 5 different years, first one net, second one TET, and third one SRF. If 25% of the students who qualified in net in the year 2024 opted for which one? PhD. What was the remaining number of net qualified students who did not opted for PhD in the same year or different year? Same year. First, in what is the 2024 net value? 540. Out of 540, how much percent are opted for net? 25%. 25% of which one? 540. What is the 25% of 540? 135 or not? Out of 540, 135 are opted for which one? PhD or not? Means PhD opted value 135 means not opted value is how much? 540 minus 135. Nothing but 405 or not? What is the question here? What was the remaining number of net qualified students who did not opted for PhD in the same year or different year? Same year. How many members? 405 or 25% completed means remaining 75%. Any other question? 129. Approximate value or exact value? Approximations or simplifications? Simplifications. పేపర్లో ఎలా ఉంది? సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ అని ఉందా, అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్ ఉందా? సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్. 12.6/18. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 129 అండి, ఒకసారి చూడండి. 12.6/18. దిస్ వట్ ఐ రిటర్న్ 126 by directly written. 18 how many times? 0.700. 6 how many times? 1.3 times or not? Okay. 50 how many times? 450. 9 times. 50 how many times? Percentage? 2 times or not? Okay. 0.7 into 1.3. 1.3 into 0.7. 0.91 into 9/2 or not? Into something that is equal to 895 minus which one? 731.2 or not? First 5 minus 1.2. 3.8 or not? 89 minus 73. 16 or not? 163.8 or not? This one I written something, it is equal to 1638 by 10 into 2/9 into 100 by 91 or not? Yes or no? 0 0 cancel or not? 9 how many times? 182 or not? 91 how many times? 2 times. What is the answer? 40. If we know the 18th table and 9th table, the question are easy. 130. Skip. 134 already cheppara. Number series. 139. 139. Data sufficiency. What is the first one? What is the larger angle of the parallelogram? Parallelogram, what is the number of sides? 4 sides are not. If we require larger angle means definitely we know the remaining 3 angles are not. Yes or no? If we require larger angle means definitely we know the 4 angles are not. Okay, in that 4 angles, which one is the larger one, which one is the smaller one or not? Here we require larger angle means definitely we know the 4 angles are only one. 4 angles are not. What is the first statement? The angles of a triangle ABC are in the ratio of which one? 7:3:5. Largest angle of a triangle ABC is equal to largest angles of another triangle PQR or not. There is no relation value of parallelogram in first statement or not. Then one alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. Or the second statement, smaller angle of the parallelogram is 2/3 of the smallest angle of the triangle PQR. If we know the smallest angle of triangle PQR, we are get the which one? Smaller angle of parallelogram. But we required which one? Larger angle. Only 2 alone also not sufficient or not? By using both the statements, in first statement PQR relation, second statement PQR, but we are get the which one? Smaller angle of a parallelogram, but we required which one? Larger angle. Okay, by using both the statements also we are not get the answer. Then answer both 1 and 2 are neither 1 or not 2, neither 1 nor 2. Next question number 140. How many runs did Rahul score in the cricket match? We required number of runs made by which one? Rahul. What is the first one? Rahul scored 78 more than which one? Vinay. Sachin scored 19 runs more than which one? Sikhar. Sikhar scored 112 runs more than which one? Virat. Rahul scored 78 more than which one? Vinay. Actually we required Rahul score. If we required Rahul score means definitely we know the Vinay value or not. But here there is no clarity about the Vinay score or not. Then one alone is not sufficient. Or the second one, total runs scored by Sikhar and Virat together is how much? 152. But Vinay scored is 15 less than the which one? Hari or not? If you know the Hari value, we are get the which one? Vinay value or not? Okay, but we required which one? Rahul. There is no clarity about Rahul in second statement or not. Combine the both the statements. No or not? Because we don't know the Vinay value or not. We don't know the Vinay value means obviously we don't know the Rahul value or not. Both 1 and together also sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. Sorry Andy, both 1 and together are getting answer. In first statement, Sikhar scored 112 runs more than which one? Virat. Means Sikhar minus Virat, it is equal to how much? 112 or not? Second statement, Sikhar plus Virat together is how much? 152 or not? We are get the individual values of which one? Sikhar and Virat or not? Sachin scored which one? 19 marks more than Sikhar. We are get the only Sachin value. There is no relation about Sachin and Vinay or not. Combine the both the statements also we are not get the answer. Both 1 and together are not sufficient. Both 1 and together are not sufficient. Because here Rahul is depends on which one? Vinay. But there is no relation between Vinay and Sachin or not. There is no relation between Vinay and Sikhar. There is no relation between Vinay and Virat or not. Okay. Both 1 and together are not sufficient. Question number 141. What is the speed of the bus? We required which one speed? Bus speed. What is the first statement? Speed of the car is 1/3 of the which one? Bus. Bus is moving at half of the speed of the train. If we required bus speed, definitely we know the which one? either car speed or train speed or not. Only one alone, not sufficient. Or the second statement, speed of the train is thrice the speed of a which one? Bike, which covers a distance of how much? 414 kilometers in 9 hours. First we are get the bike speed or not? Obviously we are get the which one? Train speed. But we required which one? Bus speed. Only 2 alone, not sufficient. By using both the statements, yes or not? Then answer both one and together or only one? Both one and together. Second statement we are get the train speed and bike speed or not? Already we know the second statement, bike value and train value. Obviously in first statement car and bus relation are given or not? By using both the statements we are get the answer or not? Next 142. What is the value of a 2-digit number? We required how many digit number? 2-digit number. Larger digit is 2 more than the which one? Smaller digit. Larger digit is a multiple of which one? 4. And smaller digit is a multiple of 3 or not? Means it will be either 86 or 68 or not? Yes or no? Larger digit is multiple of which one? 4. It is also possible or not? Larger digit is 2 more than the which one? Smaller digit. It is possible? No. And larger digit is a multiple of which one? 4. Smaller digit is a multiple of 3. Larger digit, not 10th place value, not units place value. Okay. 86, 68 or not? Two possibilities are only one. Two possibilities are not. Either 86 are getting or 68. 8 is the larger digit, 6 is the smaller digit. Or 6 is the smaller digit, 8 is the larger digit or not? What is the difference value? 2 more or not? Larger digit is 2 more than the which one? Smaller digit. How many possibilities are there? 2 possibilities or not? But data sufficiency relation is always one possibility or not? Okay. First only one alone, not sufficient. What is the second one? Sum of the both the digits of the number is how much? 14. Both the digits are which one? Even. Here also how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. Only 2 alone, not sufficient. By using both the statements we are get the 2 possibilities or only one? 2 possibilities. All the conditions are satisfied or not? How many possibilities are getting? 2 possibilities. Then answer both one and together are sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. In data sufficiency, resultant answer is always one result or not? But here how many results are getting? 2 results. It's 143. What is the value of 7x cube plus 2z square? If we required 7x cube plus 2z square means definitely we know the individual values of x comma z or not? What is the first statement? Z square minus x square equal to 48, x plus z equal to 12, z equal to which one? 2x or not? Z minus x into z plus x, it is equal to how much? 48 or not? What is the z plus x value? 12. Z minus x value? 4. We know the sum value, we know the difference means obviously we are get the individual values of z and x or not? Okay. If you know the individual values of z comma x means obviously we are get the 7x cube and 2z square or not? Yes or no? One alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. Second statement, xz equal to how much? 32. X square equal to 2z or not? This one I written x square equal to how much value? 2z. Another one xz equal to how much value? 32 or not? Both are divided. Both are divided means we written x square by xz, it is equal to 2z by how much? 32 or not? X cancel or not? Next this one we are getting 2 how many times? 16 times or not? Then x into 16, nothing but 16x equal to how much value? Z square or not? Okay. Substitute the x value either this one or this one. We are get the which one? Z value or not? What is the 16x equal to how much value? z square అన్నాడు. Then x equal to how much? Z square by 16 అన్నాడు. Substitute the x value either first one or second one. We are get the z value అన్నాడు. If you know the z value, obviously we are get the x value అన్నాడు. Then 2 alone also sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. 1 alone is sufficient, 2 alone also sufficient. Then answer is either 1 or 2 అన్నాడు. Next 144. What is the cost price of a calculator? We required cost price or selling price? Cost price. If we required cost price means definitely we know the selling price minus profit or selling price plus loss or not? Yes or no? What is the first statement? Selling price of a calculator is how much? 780. Second statement, profit earned is how much? 30%. By using both the statements or not? Okay. Suppose cost price are 100%. Profit is how much percent? Profit 30%. Selling price 130% or not? What is the 130% value? 780. We required how much? 100% or not? By using both the statements we are get the answer or not? CP is always 100%. 30% profit means SP 130%. What is the 130% value? 780. We required how much percent? 100%. By using both the statements we are get the answer. 145. What is the principal amount? Nothing but we required principal value or not? What is the first statement? The simple interest occurred on the amount at 12% per annum in 5 years is how much? 15,000. What is the rate of percent? 12%. Time is 5 years. What is the simple interest basic formula? I by P into 100, it is equal to R into T or not? Okay. We know the rate of interest. We know the time period. We know the interest value or not? Obviously we are get the P or not? 1 alone is sufficient or not? Next, second one. The amount becomes 34,000 in 3 years on simple interest 12% per annum. Amount means return. Amount minus principal. Amount minus principal, it is equal to which one? Interest value or not? Or direct calculation. What is the per annum rate of percent? 12%. Time period is how many years? 3 years. Interest 36%. Amount is 136% or not? Interest 36%. Amount is 136%. What is the 136% value? 34,000. We required principal means how much percent we need? 100% or not? Yes or no? In previous one 60% are given, 15,000 value. 60%, 15,000. We required how much? 100% or not? 1 alone is sufficient, 2 alone also sufficient. Then answer is either 1 or 2. Which option? Second option or not? Next 146. మాట్లాడాలా? స్కిప్ చెప్పాలా? back చెప్పాలా? In a university there are how many members? 36,900 students from 5 different countries. What are the countries here? India, Australia. What is the next one? England. Next one US. Next Bhutan. Okay. Suppose total we are consider 100%. That 100% equal to how much? 36,900. And here 27% of the total number of students belong to which one? India. 27% are which one? India. Next 1/10. 1/10 means how much? 10%. 1/10 means how much? 10%. 10% are which one? Australia or Australia. Next, number of students belong to England is twice the number of students belong to India. Means England value 54% or not? Next, 5% are which one? US. Okay. 27 plus 10, 37 plus 54, 91. 91 plus 5, 96. What are the remaining? 4% or? Okay. Total how much percent? 100%. That is equal to 36,900 or not? then every 1% is how much? 369. Suppose if you are get the answer 4%, then we return 4 into 369. What is the first question? If 2/3 of the, I think 11 multiple, no. If 2/3 of the number of students belong to India are which one? Males. What is the number of female students who belong to which one? India. 2/3 are which one? Males. Remaining 1/3 are female. 1/3 of which one? 27%. 1/3 of 27 means 9%. 9 into which one? 369. Answer should end with 100. Which option? Fourth option. 369. 3 multiple. Sorry, one more option. 3321. Third option. 3321. 3321. Third option. 147, 148. Direct questions kada. Okay. Thank you. Doubt end. Larger digit is 2 more than the which one? Smaller digit. And larger digit is a multiple of which one? 4. Smaller digit is a multiple of which one? 3. Larger digit is a multiple of 4 means it will be 4, 8 or not? Yes or no? Smaller digit is a multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9 or not? Okay. And one more, larger digit is 2 more than the which one? Smaller digit. Means first one is not possible or not? Then 86 are possible means another one 68 also possible or not? How many possibilities are there? 2 possibilities or not? Okay. But first condition, first statement 2 options are satisfied. Second statement also, sorry, first statement 2 possibilities are there. Second statement also how many possibilities are there? 2 possibilities. Because sum of the both the digits of the numbers is how much? 14. Both are which one? Even numbers. 8 plus 6, 14. 6 plus 8 also 14. 8 and 6 are even numbers. 6 and 8 also even numbers are not. Second also how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. By using both the statements also we are get the 2 possibilities or only one? 2 possibilities are not. Then answer neither 1 nor 2. Because the data sufficiency concept is always resultant value. Only one result are required or 2 results? Only one result.